Hey guys, it's Mary Beth from My Fearless Kitchen. I'm hanging out with my son Joseph today.
Coffee Girl!
And Coffee Girl, our Lego person. Joseph had no school today, so we're hanging out and having a good time.
Okay, Flash Tail.
We've got some awesome soups in today's newsletter. The weather took a turn over the weekend, and it's like 50 degrees for a high these days. So we've got some awesome, easy stovetop taco soup. Joseph, what'd you think about that soup we had for dinner last night?
Good.
Good. He told me last night it was the best soup ever. We've also got a quick and easy vegetable soup. And then since both of those recipes use a combination of fresh, frozen, and canned vegetables, I've got a post talking about the difference between fresh, frozen, and canned vegetables. And
where is my coffee cup?
You might want to choose one over the other. That's what I sound like all day long, isn't it? Where's my coffee? All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Have a great week, or a great day. It's only Monday. Have a great week. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Can you tell them bye?
Bye-bye.